Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be recommending you guys top 10 manhwa and manhwa where the main character has a cheat skill. So let's start our list.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most.
Coming at number 10, we have I'm an Evil God. This is an action and fantasy manhwa which currently has more than 200 chapters. This is the story of Xian, a ridiculously handsome man. After he crossed over to a different world, he falls into the hands of a crazy vixen. In order not to be drained of his life force and avoid dual cultivation, he travels between various realms and eventually becomes an evil god. This manhwa is a lot different than other cliché manhwa. The main character uses his brain and takes full advantage of his beautiful face. He is both cunning and smart, unlike other idiotic main characters. The art of this manhwa is good and story doesn't turn boring even at later chapters. Coming at number 9, we have The Previous Life Murim Ranker. This is an action and martial arts manhwa which consists of more than 18 chapters. The main character of this manhwa, Gang Taeha, was a SSS class necromancer. After clearing a high-level dungeon and depleting his mana, he was betrayed by his guild master and was eventually killed. However, when he opens his eyes, he finds himself reincarnated in the body of Yushin, a person of Murim world where the strongest rules and weak perishes. Powerless in his new body, he thrives to become the best. This might not be the best manhwa in this genre, but it is definitely a good one. The main character here is not a wimp and uses his power of necromancy from previous life. Later, he starts learning martial arts in order to not repeat the same mistake he did in his previous life. Coming at number 8, we have The Apostle of Cards. This is an action and fantasy manhwa which consists of 69 chapters. The main protagonist of this manhwa, Chen Mu, was a one-star card maker who got an ancient card by chance. After studying the card, he finally begins making progress in his card, making career, and his life started changing without him being noticed. This manhwa is much better than manhwa out there. It has amazing art and unique storyline. The main character of this manhwa is not a coward and fights his enemies even though he knows he is weaker than them. He also trains to become stronger and takes revenge on the ones who hurt him before. If you like a manhwa where the main character goes from weak to strong, then you will like this one. Coming at number 7, we have The First Order. This is an action and comedy manhwa which consists of more than 15 chapters. After a great catastrophe, the world was set back many years and humanity started living in a state of disorder. With time, society started building up again and people started living in walled strongholds. The main character Ren Xiaosu grew up in an era where the strongest get everything while the weak had to work hard in order to survive. One day, while hunting for food, he awakens a system which gives him supernatural powers. The main character of this manhwa is already smart and strong from start, and unlike other manhwa characters, he isn't a simp and uses his powers efficiently in order to survive. The art and story of this manhwa is good, so if you haven't read this till now, then you should definitely check this out. Coming at number 6, we have 1 Second. This is an action and adventure manhwa which has more than 35 chapters. The main character of this manhwa dreams of becoming a professional firefighter so that he can save people in danger. He has a unique ability of seeing few seconds into the future during dangerous situations. Taking advantage of this ability, he saves lives of many people from dangerous situations. The main character of this manhwa is likable and is not arrogant just because he has a superpower. He is also a brave guy and doesn't panic in dangerous situations. The story of this manhwa is amazing and wholesome. So, if you haven't read it till now, then you should definitely check this out. Coming at number 5, we have IRL Quest. This is a new action and school life manhwa which currently has 6 chapters. Due to threats from a bully to get a game item, the main character, Hardu Won, dies after playing games for a week straight without sleep. After he opens his eyes, he finds himself respawned in the classroom a week before everything happened. Everything else was the same except the status board in front of his eyes. This is a new system manhwa with your average and weak main character. But later, he goes through amazing character development after completing the missions given by his system. The art of this manhwa is top tier and the story is also super good. Coming at number 4, we have Heavenly Demon Cultivation Simulation. This is an action and martial arts manhwa which currently has only 9 chapters. The protagonist, Seol Hui, faces the Mount Hua sect master Gu Zhongmyung during a scouting mission and dies. A status window pops up in front of him and returns him to the time before he accepted the scouting mission. After receiving the same mission again, he now receives choices made by the system. This is a newly released manhwa. The story of this manhwa is very unique. The main character doesn't suddenly become overpowered but trains hard to become stronger. He also uses his brain to get out of dangerous situations that he encounters. If you like a manhwa where the main character goes through huge character development, then you should check this out. Coming at number 3, we have Return of the Legend. This is a high school and action manhwa which consists of more than 20 chapters. The security company Jang Tae-san worked for goes bankrupt and he becomes an unemployed man. He loses his life-saving an elementary school student who was about to get hit by a car. But thanks to his good deed, he goes 14 years back in time and is welcomed to a new life. His life was ruined, but he vows to make his life a success. The art of this manhwa is above average, but the plot is awesome. The story might be confusing at the start, but it gets better after a few chapters. The main character of this manhwa is not a wimp and uses his future knowledge to become rich. Overall, this is a very good read and I recommend you guys to read it too. Coming at number 2, we have Regressor Instruction Manual. This is an action and adventure and fantasy manhwa which currently has 20 chapters. One day, the main character Lee Kyong was summoned to a different world full of monsters. He soon finds out that he wasn't the only one that was summoned to this world. There were many like him. Every one of them were given a status board and the main character's stats were rock bottom. He didn't possess any combat abilities. The main character of this manhwa is weak, but he is a good schemer. With his cheat skill Mind's Eye, he gathers all the talented people into his team. He's smart and uses people for his own benefit. He takes advantage of everything in order to survive. This manhwa is a must-read for those who like dungeon manhwa. Coming at number 1, we have Nanomachine. This is an action and martial arts manhwa which consists of more than 70 chapters. Cheon Yu-won was an orphan from the demonic cult. He had an unexpected visit from his descendant from the future who places a nanomachine in Yo-won's body, which drastically changes his life. This is the story of his journey of bypassing the demonic cult and rising to become the best martial artist. This is a very famous manhwa and you might have already read it. This manhwa is one of the best in the Murim world genre. It has literally no flaw. The art is very detailed and awesome. The fight scenes are thrilling, the story is unique, and the character development of the main character is really good. If you are someone who haven't read it till now, then you should read it right now. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.